verbs with meaning in English and Hindi. Say means कहना. In English, say. In Hindi, कहना. Do means करना. In English, do. In Hindi, करना. Bring means लाना. In English, bring. In Hindi, लाना. Go means जाना. In English, go. In Hindi, जाना. Write means लिखना. In English, write. In Hindi, लिखना. Save means बचाना. In English, save. In Hindi, बचाना. Fall means गिरना. In English, fall. In Hindi, गिरना. Leave means छोड़ना. In English, leave. In Hindi, छोड़ना. Keep means रखना. In English, keep. In Hindi, रखना. Dance means नाचना. In English, dance. In Hindi, नाचना. What means क्या. In English, what. In Hindi, क्या. New means नया. In English, new. In Hindi, नया. Junk means कचरा. In English, junk. In Hindi, कचरा. Neat means स्वच्छ. In English, neat. In Hindi, स्वच्छ. Center means केंद्र. In English, center. In Hindi, केंद्र. Sell means बेचना. In English, sell. In Hindi, बेचना. Hate means नफरत करना. In English, hate. In Hindi, नफरत करना. Lazy means आलसी. In English, lazy. In Hindi, आलसी. Full means भरा हुआ. In English, full. In Hindi, भरा हुआ. Heaven means स्वर्ग. In Hindi, स्वर्ग. In English, heaven. Hell means नरक. In English, hell. In Hindi, नरक. Fly means उड़ना. In English, fly. In Hindi, उड़ना. Sleep means सोना. In English, sleep. In Hindi, सोना. Run means दौड़ना. In English, run. In Hindi, दौड़ना. Pray means प्रार्थना. In English, pray. In Hindi, प्रार्थना.